Go. Okay, stance, ha? Go. Double spear. Double leopards. Back 5 finger. Double outside, open piece. Double spear. Double leopards with G. 5 finger strike to the face. 2 straight pass. 2 leg strike. 2 palm hip. 2 back piece to the legs. Upper to the groin, uppercut. Then knee. Push, then turn inside. Okay, nilo pa, turn nilo. Sweep, then follow up, tutok sa groin. Elbow, then sweep, then tutok sa groin. Center. Ball, hard guard. No time kick, no jump. Let it pass. Turn side. Double stick guard. Turn. Stick guard ulit. Stick guard. Stick guard. Then sweep, halapan sa groin. Tutok sa groin, ha? Pagbagsak kasi, tutok sa groin. Then close, tayo. Pugan. Oo, naligaw na yan. Kaya kayo. Ikaw. Isa pa. Kailangan dyan patok ka, ha? Okay. Pugan, go! Pugan!